Do this to explode your TikTok follower numbers in 2024. And I know this because not only has the same process allowed me to gain tons of followers, but it's also allowed my videos to rank on Google. TikTok videos ranking on Google. And I've done the same thing with my YouTube videos that are ranking on Google as well. So I know that it works, even though I've not been uploading consistently on TikTok as I'm focusing on my YouTube. By the way, none of this is going to work unless you've got some insane hook to get people watching the first part of your video all the way through, and you're in luck. I've got 30 free video hooks that you can download in the description completely free of charge. So just click the link in the description and grab those. This is how you can go about using TikTok's latest Creator Search Insights tool. And what this is, it allows you to see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create you answering people's questions. And that is one of the most brilliant strategies on social media, because this allows you to create what's called evergreen content. You're not just creating random content, you're creating content that is going to last and live on the internet for a very long time, like my examples that I've just shown you, videos that I uploaded ages ago. And even though I'm not being that consistent here on TikTok, transparently and honestly, because I'm working on YouTube and working on my newsletter business, these videos are still bringing in followers, bringing in comments, bringing in profile views, and bringing in all sorts of engagement. So what you do is go onto the top and you search for Creator Search Insights, which is what I've done in order to reach the page where I'm at. And I just click on Creator Search Insights, and as you can see straight away, TikTok is recommending some topics based on my account and what's on my account. So this is probably going to be different for you, because this depends on what niche you're in. There's for you and there's trending. I'm going to focus on for you and see what comes up. And as you can see, if I click on for you, all these different parameters are coming up here. There's content gap, topics that are searched for often but have few relevant videos, and there's searches by followers as well. So if I click on that, it's going to let me know what's popular but doesn't have enough videos of people answering those questions. And if I clicked on searches by followers, and this is what my followers are looking for currently. So I'm going to focus on content gap, because that is the key one where I could potentially create videos and answer questions that not many other people are answering. Now, out of this, I am going to look for topics that are close to what I am comfortable talking about. So let's look at how to delete a TikTok now. Okay, let's try that one. Now I've clicked on it, and as you can see, the trend over the last few days is growing, and it's pretty consistent. Now the beautiful thing about this is you can see what other creators have done to answer this question. You can also see related searches as well, which is absolutely key, because you can see what other related topics people are searching for. There's how to delete TikTok watch history, a bit suspicious, but there's people that are clearly wanting to understand how to do that, how to delete drafts on TikTok. So some of the simplest things that you take for granted, there is someone out there that is desperately looking for a way to get that done. And these are some of the questions that you can answer that can allow you to rank not just on TikTok, but you can rank on Google and continue to bring in followers and continue to bring in customers that are viewing your profile, and potential leads, potential people that can give you money for months, even years to come. What you're looking for is either a flat trend like that, if you look at that red line, or you're looking for something that's growing. You don't want something that's declining, because that means over time there's going to be less of a need for the question or for the answers to that question. Again, you can just go down the rabbit hole until you find a number of different topics that you can talk about. And once you've done that, you list everything down. You list the hashtags that are related to that topic. You can go into these videos here that are related. What hashtags are these people putting in their descriptions? What are they doing exactly? But even better than that, what you could put in your description as hashtags, you could literally put these titles here, these questions that people are asking here as your hashtag, because this is going to tell TikTok who to send your video to. And that is essentially what is going to allow your video to have a long lifespan on TikTok, and as I say, allow you to explode your followers over time. It may not work straight away, it may not be something that allows you to get 10,000 followers in 2 days, but this is gonna consistently, continuously bring in viewers and bring in followers on to your TikTok profile and continue giving you brand awareness and really growing you as a brand authority or as a topic authority in whatever it is that you're talking about on your TikTok videos. Again, this allowed me to get my account from essentially next to nothing to where right now, as I say, I'm still ranking videos, even though I've barely posted on TikTok in a while. The same thing here on YouTube as well. I've got videos that are ranking when you search for that topic on Google. So I've now got traffic not just from YouTube but from Google as well, which is just absolutely insane, because what I did is search engine optimization. I looked at what people are interested in, what are they searching for, and I created videos speaking directly to what people are searching for. And I made sure that the topics have got enough demand. They haven't got too many videos that are already creating videos within them. And I made sure that I am putting the right hashtags. And as I said earlier, you can just use the question that people are asking as a hashtag, as well as any other related statements or anything like that that people are asking. And what you can also do is, if you're not sure what hashtags to put on, if you go on to, so let's say best time to post on TikTok, just to give you guys a rough example. So if I go back on this is just a normal search now, this is not creator insights. So if I put best times to post on TikTok, so TikTok is already making suggestions there for what you can put in. So for example, in my description, I could put in as a hashtag best times to post on TikTok UK, best times to post on TikTok 2024, best times to post on TikTok US, best times to post TikTok USA. I could put all of that stuff in there. Now if I click on 2024 for an amazing thing that you can do is you can take a screenshot of that, and what Apple iPhone does, I'm going to show you in a second here, actually allows you to copy the words from the screenshot, which is mad. So look at that. I've copied those, and all I need to do now is put them in a notepad. Boom. And I can also just copy each one separately. And if I go like this, just going to do this very quickly, not very efficiently, but this is just for the purpose of showing you. There we go. Post on TikTok. I'm going to put 2024 UK and remove the spaces, remove the space, remove the space, remove the space, remove the space, same thing. There you go. I've got my hashtag right there. And if you just continue doing exactly the same thing for all these, you've now got a bank of hashtags that you can use, not just on that particular video, but on future videos talking about the same topic as well. You have to remember that there's something called content pillars. As you get data, as you upload more on TikTok, you will find that you are doing similar videos. You will find a video style and video topic that works best for you. And when you do, you will have a list of hashtags that are already good to go for you, that you've already saved by following this strategy. And next time you post, it's going to be quicker, because all you're doing is just copying hashtags that you've got on here, jumping on, filming a video, writing a short description, maybe using AI to help you write that description, and boom, you're ready to go.